after a long time. I hope you feel always green. Faizan is always green. Ansari is dark red. Why is dark red? Why so many people on dark red? I'm surprised. I hope by the end of the day you at least change your color to neutral. I'm not expecting you to be super happy, but I hope that this class gets you a little bit of excitement and you all get happy and you yes, you enjoy yourself today. Okay, so let's, has everybody responded? Some people are light green. Okay, my voice is breaking. 1 second, give me a second, guys. Give me a second. Okay, is my voice clear now? Pakka? Okay, great. I'll speak a little loudly ताकि clear रहे, ठीक है? Guys, हम लोगों ने अभी तक 2 parts of the chapter खत्म कर दिया है, which is about democracy of the government, for the government, by the government. उसके अंदर भी सब parts थे, वो भी हमने सारा discuss करा था. फर्स्ट सब पार्ट था ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट, जिसके अंदर हमने पॉलिटिकल मैच्योरिटी की बात करी थी, रिप्रेजेंटेटिव गवर्नमेंट की बात करी थी. देन वी स्पोक अबाउट बाय द पीपल, एंड बाय द पीपल के अंदर हमने बात करी थी राइट टू वोट की. उसके बाद फिर हमने बात करी थी फॉर द पीपल, और फॉर द पीपल के अंदर हमने बात करी थी डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन की, और उसके साथ साथ राइट टू इंफॉर्मेशन एक्ट की. उसके बाद हम आगे गए थे एंड देन वी स्टडीड अबाउट सोशल जस्टिस. वॉइस इज अगेन ब्रेकिंग, ओ माय गॉड. सोशल जस्टिस के अंदर हमने कुछ पॉलिसीज की बात करी थी जो हमारी कंट्री में यूज की जाती हैं. यार वॉइस अभी भी ब्रेक हो रहा है क्या? सबको ब्रेक हो रहा है? Guys, it can be your internet also, okay? So be patient. It can be your internet. It's not my internet. Okay? Chalo. Stop interrupting and let's start. Hello, Pradeep. Pradeep, you will not be able to understand a lot of things, but still stay in the whole class, okay? Okay. Stop on the chat, guys. Listen to me. Try to listen to me. If voice is not clear, then listen. Look at the presentation. You will be able to understand the crux of things, okay? All right. Now everybody has to answer this question. Who ensures that social justice and equality is present in India? ये किसका काम होता है ये देखना कि हमारी कंट्री के अंदर सोशल जस्टिस रहे और कुछ गलत ना हो किसी के साथ. लेट्स सी, 5 सेकेंड्स. गवर्नमेंट का काम होता है. ओके, गवर्नमेंट का काम होता है क्या? अगर सोशल जस्टिस खराब हो रहा है, मतलब किसी ने किसी के साथ अत्याचार किया, पुलिस का काम होता है. ओके, सम पीपल आर सेइंग पुलिस, सम पीपल आर सेइंग गवर्नमेंट. अमेजिंग. कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, व्हाट एल्स? लेट्स थिंक मोर. Government, democracy, police. And what if I say somebody has done something wrong, then who teaches that person a lesson? Who punishes that person? Does the police decide the punishment? Amazing. Dilip said court, right? और कोर्ट, सारे के सारे कोर्ट और सारे के सारे जज मिला के क्या बनता है, किस सिस्टम को क्या बोलते हैं? सारे कोर्ट्स, पूरे इंडिया के सारे कोर्ट्स मिला दें, सारे जजेस मिला दें, तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं? उसका नाम होता है, what do we call it? Judiciary, the judicial system, right? So judiciary is a collection of judges, okay? So a collection of judges, all the judges in all the courts across the country together form the judiciary, and judiciary is responsible for maintaining social justice and equality in our country. So when something goes wrong, the judge decides the punishment in accordance with the constitution, in accordance with the laws of the country. Okay? Next question. Who makes the laws of the country? लेट्स सी हु आंसर्स। हमारी कंट्री के लॉज कौन बनाता है? पार्लियामेंट सेज रितेश, डू यू अग्री? पीएम, ओनली पीएम अकेले सूरज? If it then how is it a decentralized government? Government, parliament, amazing. Does anybody say judiciary? Do you think judiciary makes the laws? Or is it just government? Are you sure? लॉक कर दिया जाए? लॉक करके ताला की चाबी घुमा दूं? Okay, amazing guys, you're right. It is the parliament that makes all the laws. Okay, but does parliament, अगर parliament कुछ गलत करेगा तो क्या जुडिशरी का हक होगा लॉ को रोकने में? अगर पार्लियामेंट कोई गलत लॉ पास करता है जो मेन फंडामेंटल आइडियाज के साथ नहीं जा रहा, अमेजिंग, रितेश सेज यस, अभिषेक सेज यस, महिमा सेज यस, उमेहानी सेज यस, सानिया सेज यस, वाओ दैट्स ग्रेट, राइट, एग्जैक्टली। तो अगर पार्लियामेंट कोई लॉ बनाता है और वो लॉ हमारे फंडामेंटल आइडियाज के साथ नहीं जाता, मतलब वो लॉ सेक्युलर नहीं है, या वो लॉ इक्वालिटी पे बिलीव नहीं करता, या वो लॉ फ्रेटर्निटी पे बिलीव नहीं करता, जो हमारे प्रियम्बल के 5 मेन वर्ड्स हैं, अगर वो लॉ उन 5 मेन वर्ड्स पे नहीं टिकता, हमारे बेसिक रूल्स को नहीं अबाइड करता, तो जो हमारी जुडिशरी है, जो हमारे जजेस हैं, वो क्वेश्चन कर सकते हैं उस लॉ को, वो क्वेश्चन कर सकते हैं उस लॉ के बेसिस को। अब मैं एक और क्वेश्चन पूछूंगी, क्या कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन और किसी भी रिलीजियस बुक में क्या डिफरेंस है? लेट्स सी हु आंसर्स। What is the difference between the book of constitution and the book of a religion? Any religion, Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, any religion that also has a set of rules. This also has a set of rules. What's the difference? For the country, okay, for the whole country, regardless of religion, constitution is for everyone, right? And can you tell me, do religious books change? Do we make changes in our religious rules?
No.
No, right? We don't. We cannot change what's written in a religious book. But can we change what is written in a constitution?
Yes.
Amazing. Who's so super active? I would love for you all to come off mute and answer like this. I think this is Aryan. Amazing, Aryan. Yes. So constitution can have changes. What are those changes called? What are those changes called? Let's see who answers. Changes made in the constitution, what are they called? Ritesh has already answered. Amazing. Amit has answered amendment. Do you all agree? Changes in the constitution are called amendment. Is this the right answer? Amazing, Umehani. Yes, Shiva. Exactly, right? So, amendment is the name for the changes that are made in the constitution. These changes are made by the parliament. Sometimes when parliament decides to make a change, it can be against the basics of the constitution. At that time, judiciary can come in between and question the parliament. Are all these 3 things clear to you?
Yes.
Clear? Amazing. Amazing. So we will just go through these things. We will read these things on the slide and see if we understand. With that, I welcome you to your classroom. And we understood what does constitution mean. The first point was, it is a body of principles according to which a state is governed. Constitution एक ऐसी किताब है जिसको रेफर कर करके हम अपने देश को चला रहे हैं. इसके अंदर के सारे रूल्स के बेसिस पर हम अपने देश को चलाते हैं. Okay, these are the rules we made before our independence. This is the constitution we submitted to the Britishers that we will abide to. And after making of India, we have been abiding to this constitution. Okay. The constitution is dynamic. That is, it is a living document. Living document का ये मतलब है that it keeps on changing. Dynamic मतलब it keeps on changing. Unlike any religious book that is stuck, that cannot change according to the changing times, constitution will keep on changing according to the changing times. Okay. Parliament has power to make these changes. Now, these amendments can be made by the parliament. This is what we studied. And the fourth and the last point is judiciary ensures that parliament does not alter basic structure of the constitution. तो जुडिशरी का ये काम है देखना कि पार्लियामेंट कोई भी हमारे बेसिक रूल्स के खिलाफ कोई नया रूल ना बनाए, अपने फायदे के लिए पार्लियामेंट कोई ऐसा रूल पास ना करे जो हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के खिलाफ हो. Is this clear? Are all these things clear? Great. Amazing. Thank you, Mahima. Thank you, Aditya. Thank you, Ritesh. Thank you, Prince.
Yes.
Thank you, Faizan. Thank you, Pooja. Thank you, Shiva. Thank you, whoever said yes. Okay, great. Let's move on. So the first work of judiciary is it ensures that parliament does not alter the basic structure of the constitution. Constitution के जो basic rules है उसको जुडिशरी इंश्योर करता है कि पार्लियामेंट उसको इधर उधर ना करे, जो बेसिक आइडियाज है वो सारे के सारे सेम रहने चाहिए. ओके, द नेक्स्ट वर्क ऑफ जुडिशरी इज द प्रोटेक्शन प्रोवाइडेड टू द सिटीजंस by fundamental rights in the constitution is made meaningful by judiciary, like working on child and women rights, working on tribal rights, etc. Can you tell me what is the relation between the image you are seeing on your screen, which is here, and this statement? Can you figure out what is the work of judiciary according to these two images? Let's see who makes the connection. What is this second? रितेश says कानून अंधा है, but उसका क्या मतलब होता है? कानून अंधा है का क्या मतलब है? क्या कानून लॉजिक नहीं देख सकता? Can कानून not observe logic? क्या हमारे दिमाग पे पट्टी है या आंख पे पट्टी है? Making the law, amazing. They should get the rights. Who should get the rights? Want proof, equality. You're all somewhere there. Give me one statement. Make everyone equal. Justice is given on proof. Amazing. So justice does not depend on what color is your skin. It does not depend on what caste you belong to, what gender you belong to, if you're rich or you're poor. What justice says is that no matter what you look like, I will close my eyes. I am not going to look at your features. I am going to judge each and every one of you based on the laws of the constitution. Okay, so if constitution says that I have to provide equality regardless of the fact that I'm a man or a woman, regardless of the fact that maybe inside of me I think you are not a criminal, okay, but if the proof comes like you are criminal, then I will go with the proof and not my feelings. I will go according to the constitution. We are blind, but our brain is working according to the constitution. Is this clear? All religion should be equal and should fight for their rights. Amazing, yeah, Ajit, this is one of the examples. But the main point is that judiciary works according to constitution and ensures कि जितने भी हमने रूल्स कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के अंदर डाले हैं वो हमारी कंट्री के अंदर अच्छे से फॉलो हो, और नहीं फॉलो होते तो उनको पनिशमेंट देने की भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इज विद जुडिशरी. क्लियर?
Yes.
I'm so passionate about political science, guys. I love it. Great. Amazing, Sanya. Amazing, Mahima. Amazing, Prince, Ritesh. Waiting for the rest of you. Understood? Or should I repeat once more?
Understood.
Thank you. Thank you, Shiva. Thank you, Nidhi. Thank you, Voice. Thank you, Pradum. Thank you, Shubham. Thank you, Karan. Amazing. Okay. Now, I have a question for you. Think about this question. 2 के everyone से उप्रज्ञा करो, ठीक है? सिर्फ मेरे को ये आंसर लिख के देना है तुमको. Why do you think this whole chapter is called working of the constitution? Everyone पे नहीं करना जवाब, everyone पे नहीं देना. 2 से उप्रज्ञा करो और उप्रज्ञा करने के बाद मेरे को जवाब दो लिख के. Why do you think this chapter's name is called working of the constitution? We did not read about the constitution as such. We read about different models. in our country that are operating. So why is this chapter called Working of the Constitution? Let's see who answers. Okay, Shubham has an answer. I'm waiting for rest of you to respond. Amazing. Okay. Amazing. Okay. Okay, so some of the answers that I've gotten till now are everyone works for the constitution. Then there is an answer that it means that constitution, work constitution do for people to make new laws, to know about working of constitution in more detail, because constitution, to understand constitution has strengthened democracy in India, because in this chapter we are learning about the work of the constitution, and the constitution handles all of these, because this chapter tells us how our government works through different models, and we are the one to see if the government is loyal to their vows. Rules in India. Okay. Ashraf has said what? Wait. Okay, guys. So if I give you a little direction, you have said a lot of words, but their meaning is not exactly correct. Okay. I'll give you an example. ठीक है? जो आप सिंपल एडिशन करते हो, राइट? एडिशन करते हो ना, तो 2 + 2 4 होता है. 5 + 9 में जब आप ऐड करोगे 5 और 9, तो उसका जो बचा हुआ पार्ट है वो ऊपर जाता है, दूसरे उस पर लगता है. ये सारे जो होते हैं ये रूल्स होते हैं एडिशन के, राइट? दे आर रिटन समवेयर. ओके, दे आर रिटन समवेयर, जो ये कहता है कि अगर x और y की प्रॉपर्टी, मतलब y की वैल्यू ज्यादा है और इसकी टोटल मिला के 9 से बड़ी हुई वैल्यू आ रही है, तो नीचे 10 नहीं लिखेंगे, यहाँ नीचे 0 लिखेंगे और 1 कैरी ओवर होगा. तो वो 9 और 10 नंबर्स के फॉर्म में नहीं बताएगा, वो रूल की तरह बताएगा, राइट? वो x और y के फॉर्म में बताएगा. दैट इज अ रूल. So constitution is basically all these rules, but the implementation of constitution is done by numbers, right? So maths is a skill. Okay, you don't study the details of the rules, you study the skill. Okay, similarly in our country ये बहुत सारे rules है, और इन rules की एक book है. उस book के basis पर हमने कुछ structures बनाए हैं. Okay, तो हम ये नहीं पढ़ते कि थ्योरी क्या है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की, ठीक है? हम ये नहीं पढ़ते कि लॉज क्या है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के. हम ये देख रहे हैं कि रियल लाइफ में कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के लॉज ऑपरेट कैसे करते हैं, उससे स्ट्रक्चर्स कैसे बने. अगर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में लिखा है वी बिलीव इन इक्वालिटी, तो हम इक्वालिटी कैसे रहे? हमने राइट टू वोट फॉर ऑल करा, ठीक है? इंस्टेड ऑफ राइट टू वोट ओनली फॉर मेन, वी गेव राइट टू वोट फॉर एवरीवन. ओके, अगर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में ये लिखा है दैट वी हैव टू प्रोटेक्ट आवर माइनॉरिटीज, तो वी in real life gave reservation to those people to ensure social justice. Okay, so what we are looking at is how the constitution works, and instead of, we are not reading each and every law of the constitution, we are looking at the implementation of the constitution. Is this clear? Is this clear that we look at the implementation of the constitution in this chapter? We looked at democracy, how that works. Then we looked at how social justice works. What are the rules made for social justice? Then we looked at court and how they ensure the working of the constitution. So we look at implementation. Amazing. I can see so many yeses. I'm so excited about this. That is great. Okay. Now, we actually, Ajay, you joined too late. So it's okay. Stay with us. But you might not get the connection a little. Okay? All right. So now we move on to the second half of our class. Today we are going to do something very exciting. We are going to end this chapter with a quiz. So Didi has made this quiz for you, and I am going to send that quiz का link on your व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप्स. अभी नहीं, एक सेकेंड रुको, ठीक है? तो क्विज क्या है? क्विज पूरे चैप्टर में से है, ठीक है? एंड चीटिंग इज नॉट अलाउड. तुम्हें वो लिंक को ओपन करना है. हर करेक्ट आंसर के तुम्हें 1000 पॉइंट्स मिलेंगे. टोटल 15 क्वेश्चंस हैं, तो तुम्हारे पास 15,000 पॉइंट्स कमाने का मौका है, ठीक है? जैसे तुम क्विज खत्म करते हो तो तुम्हें इधर वापस आना है जूम पे और नीचे दीदी को चार्ट पे लिख के देना है डन, और तुम्हारा क्या एक्सपीरियंस था ये जूम ये वाला क्विज करने का, ठीक है? एंड as soon as everyone is done, we can also discuss the answers on Zoom. Okay? One second. Is everybody ready? Give me a thumbs up if you're all ready. I will send the link in 3, 2. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Just click on the link, okay? 1, sending, done. I hope all of you got your link. All the best. May the best people get all your answers. Let's rock this. All the best, everyone. I'm going to stay quiet so that you do your quiz well. As soon as you're done, you come back to Zoom and tell me you're done.